step into the Nissan 2018 Frontier S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: steel cloth seat trim, B92 splash guards, A92 underrail bed liner, glacier white, L92 floor mats, rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.